If you want to get the most out of your visit to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, then you really should make time to take the bus tour. You'll visit various launch pads and assembly sites where the Apollo space program and shuttles took off. Going by bus is really the best way to make the most of your visit to the Kennedy Space Center. I have a few of these made by Majorette. They seem to be close to maybe 1/48th scale. I removed the stickers, I spray painted the blue shell in a nice glossy white. I masked off the windows to paint the frames a glossy black. The interior, for some reason, is a bright pink, and since I've never been on a bus with a bright pink interior, I resprayed the entire thing in a sandy tan color. I've got more than a few decals left over from my earlier NASA police car projects. I thought this would be a good way to use up the remainder. The shiny white sides of this bus should be a nice match for the glossy finish of these decals. The original bus by Majorette was a pretty decent model, but hidden underneath bad stickers and poor color choices. With a little bit of work, some masking, some repainting, and some fresh decals, you would find a fairly realistic looking model in close to 1/48th, 1/50th scale. Either one works pretty well with my die-cast cars and my trains. I think it looks so much better now. And it was pretty cheap. It was about $6 a few years ago, back when malls had toy stores. And you can still find these on eBay too. So until next time, thanks for watching. This has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.